and you're watching
Malik Adventures,
the channel where we do
anything we want.
If you're new to this channel, Mr. Astro says,
Fighting, go subscribe.
Yes. And if you're returning to the channel, Mr. Rocky gives you a heavenly
Hello.
But everybody, make sure you like the video,
Subscribe,
comment down below, and
share the video.
And we're sorry about the wind, but first, we are on the start of what, Danielle?
Astro's Colorado road trip.
Yeah, oh, I like that title. And our first stop today, we are in Chase County, Kansas.
Yeah.
Outside of Cottonwood Falls at the Chase County Lake.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
What are we doing here, Danielle?
We are walking to Chase Falls.
Yes.
So waterfall.
Yeah.
We'll see if it's actually there's water there or not.
Yeah, we'll see what it is. But this trip is all about Mr. Astro, and we are making our way, eventually where?
To Colorado, right?
Oh, yeah, to Colorado. And doing things out in Colorado. So, stick with us, hang out, and enjoy what we hope is some good views.
Oh, and why are we doing this? To celebrate Astro's birthday!
Yay! And there's a second reason. To also kind of like memorialize Mr. Rocky.
Yes.
Who we always wanted to take to Colorado,
Yep.
but couldn't make it.
Yep.
So he's in the car right now. His pillow is. So he's joining us on the road trip. You'll see him sometime in some of these videos. All right, but let's get going.
Astro, you can't go for it. It's so small.
There's more of that too.
And he's bored with it.
You want to go over here and look at that truck one? Look at that pretty.
What about down a little bit further, Astro?
Let's see what's over in here. Out visually. Wait. Pretty good. Mr. Astro, what did you think? Hey, I need your testimony. Astro, what'd you think? Did you like it? Hey, did you enjoy it? Huh? Maybe?
He said,
Yeah? Well, it took a little bit of walking, not very much, but
very easy besides just down to the waterfall.
Yeah, so we found it, Chase County Falls.
Chase Falls.
Sorry, Chase Falls, not Chase County. Very nice waterfall. Not the best that we've seen, but it's a pretty cool waterfall.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
First waterfall in Kansas that we've seen.
Yeah.
At least on a road trip.
Yep.
But yeah, if you're ever in the Chase County area and you want to come check out a waterfall, other than finding parking, it's actually pretty easy to get to. Pretty accessible.
Yep.
But until the next time, friends, from Astro and us here, make sure you stay safe.
Stay magical.
And as always, keep
adventuring.
Yeah, we'll keep that one in there. See you next time.
Bye.